Oh my God. Where's your mommy at?
In the store.
Yeah, I've been out here probably 5 minutes, and someone came in and told us I'm estimating it's been at least 10 minutes. And I don't know how old the little girl is, and then you got the baby there.
One child is 6 years old, the other is 1.
On February 4th, 2025, Solon Police Department officers in Cuyahoga County, Ohio, responded to a parking lot welfare call. A passerby had reported 2 children, a 6-year-old and a 6-month-old infant, left unattended in a running vehicle outside a grocery store. All 4 doors were unlocked. The children had been alone for an estimated 15 minutes while their mother shopped inside.
And both doors were unlocked.
Yeah, and all the doors were unlocked.
Anybody can walk up and jump in the car and take off and leave.
Good. In a minute.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I've been out here probably 5 minutes, and someone came in and told us I'm estimating it's been at least 10 minutes. And I don't know how old the little girl is, and then you got the baby there.
Okay. Have they talked to you?
What's that?
Have they talked to you?
No, I didn't want to scare them.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, so I was just standing by making sure they were okay, but I had a customer come in concerned. They're sitting in there by themselves.
John David Boyd, 55.
Okay.
010
He's a new guy, so I'm trying not to give him any hints on what we should do. He should know by now.
Black in color.
So he's trying to prove himself.
Kit Davis, 55-year-old female from Bedford Heights. She's out.
Yeah. Come on, get out of the way.
What's that?
Nothing. Just work with him. I'm not here. I'm just observing.
Oh. If you show cameras on.
My camera's on.
Zero 7.
Go ahead.
Don't swear in front of the kids.
Oh my God.
Hello. How are you? You okay?
Where's your mommy at?
In the store.
3631 radio.
Because she's doing instant. Go ahead.
Come back to the village.
I think what we'll end up doing is if we can't find a phone number, we'll just have you guys page them in the store. Okay. And then we'll try to get a hold of her that way. We'll handle it.
Can you get her mom's name, maybe, other than mom?
We got it when we ran the blade.
Okay, I'll go page her if you want.
The other guy's going in 96.
9600 front, see if they can page them also. Okay.
How old are they? 1 and what?
6 and 1.
Unlocked 2. That's scary.
You're what?
Unlocked door.
Yeah, I know, right?
There you go.
Okay, I did locate a number. I'm attempting it now.
I copy. The doors were unlocked and we were able to speak to the children. They seem alright.
I copy.
One child is 6 years old, the other is 1.
The central statute here is Ohio Revised Code Section 2919.20 about Ohio's Child Endangerment Law. The statute imposes criminal liability on any parent, guardian, or custodian who creates a substantial risk to the health or safety of a child under 18. 4 elements must be satisfied. The defendant is a custodian. The victim is under 18. A substantial risk was created, and a duty of care was violated. Every element is met here. Davis is the mother. Both children are under 18. An unlocked running vehicle in a public parking lot creates a foreseeable risk of abduction, theft, and infant medical distress. The mother's defense that the children were asleep and she only stepped in briefly does not negate criminal liability under this statute. Ohio, Revised Code Section 2919.22. 22 does not require intent to harm. It requires recklessness. Under Ohio law, recklessness means the conscious disregard of a substantial and unjustifiable risk. An asleep infant does not reduce the risk. It eliminates the child's only means of responding to it.
Wait, so what?
What?
What are we doing?
What just did a child endangerment?
Sight? Oh, what if it's not mom driving? We don't know who's supposed to be responsible for him right now. Could be grandma. Yeah. Yeah, right. You never know. I know. Jeez.
It won't even start up.
I got you.
Hello? Are you mom? Okay. Talk to her.
You guys don't need me?
We're good. Yeah. You're inside if we need you though. You can't leave your kids in the car by themselves like that.
Well, they were sleeping, and I just wanted to get in there and really quick for their dinner. What's wrong? Are they crying or something?
Yeah, they were crying, and then
Both doors are unlocked.
yeah, and all the doors were unlocked.
Anybody can walk up and jump in the car and take off and leave.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yes, I do. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
So sorry.
I've had 2 car accidents
And
and
then,
some until
were you just shopping or?
Dodge
You sit back there.
Yeah, they were crying. I'm like, I gotta calm my babies down.
Okay. Here's your license.
Thank you.
And we are giving you a citation for child endangerment.
Ohio courts addressed this standard directly in the 2007 case of In Re CD, decided by the 8th District Court of Appeals. The court held that leaving children unattended in a vehicle for an extended period, even without resulting injury, satisfies the substantial risk threshold. The factual record here exceeds that standard on every measure duration vehicle. Condition ages of the children and public location. As a first-degree misdemeanor with no resulting physical harm, this offense carries a maximum penalty of 180 days in jail and a fine of $1,000 under Ohio law. Officer Sima also held discretion to make a custodial arrest. The decision to issue a citation instead reflects a lawful and proportionate exercise of enforcement judgment. One unresolved question in this footage is whether a mandatory CPS referral was initiated. Under Ohio Revised Code, Section 21, 51.421. Law enforcement officers are mandatory reporters. When a 6-month-old infant is found unattended in a running vehicle for 15+ minutes, that threshold is met. A criminal citation alone does not fulfill the reporting obligation.
Okay, and you do have a court date. It's going to be on the 26th of February at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
So this is the first degree. So let me push you this way. when we get calls of dogs being left in their hot summer car or whatever, we write the people a ticket for animal cruelty. These are little human beings, right? You take a little more care of them than our own pets.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I'm not saying this doesn't make you a bad mother or anything like that.
It's feelings.
But you got a 1-year-old that needs you. You can't leave them in a car like that.
Yeah, I know. She was sleeping. But I did not know the doors were
Someone could have
unlocked.
smashed your car, right?
No, you're right.
Someone could have taken your kids, you know what I mean? But also, I mean, you don't seem like
You're
a
right.
terrible
Thank you.
person or whatever.
I am not. I promise
The
you.
other option to that would have been actually taking you to jail.
I know. I thought you were
Somebody
about to do
coming to
it.
get your, you know,
138.
I know.
Check
I
up.
appreciate it, though. Thank you for
We're good.
giving me grace. I promise I'm not a bad
If you have any questions, just phone should be a phone number on the back, I believe. You can call that.
Make sure you support. You got a phone number?
Yeah, let me get a phone number for you.
When the responding officers receive an A-, child welfare was prioritized from first contact. Officers confirmed the children's ages, verified the unlocked doors, and ran the plate before making any enforcement decision. The decision to issue a citation rather than arrest was legally sound and proportionate to the circumstances. De-escalatory communication with the mother was professional and measured. The 1-grade deduction reflects the absence of any documented CPS referral. In the footage, a mandatory legal obligation that a citation does not replace. Michaela Davis receives a D. The conduct satisfies every element of Ohio's child endangerment statute as a matter of law. The risk was not theoretical. It was foreseeable, substantial, and entirely preventable. The grade does not reach F because Davis returned immediately, cooperated fully with officers, accepted the citation without resistance, and the children were found physically unharmed. Her post-contact conduct was cooperative. Her pre-contact judgment was criminally negligent. Those are not contradictory findings. They are separate evaluations. This case illustrates a gap that appears frequently in child welfare incidents. The assumption that a brief absence creates no real risk. Ohio courts have consistently rejected that assumption. The law does not measure harm by what actually happened. It measures it by what could reasonably have happened. A 6-month-old cannot unbuckle a seatbelt, open a door, or call for help. An unlocked vehicle is not a safe enclosure. It is an open invitation. The standard is not, nothing bad happened. The standard is, a reasonable person would have known the risk was substantial. That standard was met the moment the door closed and the mother walked into the store. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.